If you're tired of constantly scooping your cat's litter and want to reduce waste, then it might be time to upgrade to an automatic cat litter box. Not only are they convenient, but they also help reduce the environmental impact of traditional litter boxes. But with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be reviewing the 6 best automatic cat litter boxes. Whether you have one cat or multiple feline friends, I'll help you find the perfect solution for your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Pet Snowy Snow Plus Self-Cleaning Litter Box. This sleek, enclosed design not only fits seamlessly into any home environment, but also offers superior odor control and prevents litter tracking. It caters to cats between 3.3 and 20 pounds, making it versatile for most cats. The Snow Plus features an automatic scooping system that rakes waste after each use, collecting it in a disposable liner for hassle-free disposal. Its optional mini-mesh filter is ideal for fine litter or small waste particles, ensuring a clean and efficient system. Setup is a breeze with no assembly required, and the top cover lifts easily for refilling litter. When it's time to clean, the unit disassembles in just 30 seconds, making maintenance effortless. One of the standout features is the titanium dioxide photocatalyst system, which neutralizes odors through light exposure, maintaining a fresh-smelling home. The device is recommended for clumping litter, and the disposable liner further helps trap odors. It's designed to stay whisper quiet at 40 decibels, ensuring it won't disturb your household. Safety is paramount with the 7-stage SnowSafe Plus protection system, which pauses cleaning if your cat enters, and a weight sensor prevents operation with cats under 3.3 pounds. Additionally, the Health Tracker app allows you to monitor litter box usage remotely, providing peace of mind. Customers love its excellent odor control, ease of cleaning, and quiet operation. Overall, it's a worthy addition to your home. Number 5 is the PetSafe Scoopfree Crystal Plus Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. With its large dimensions, it offers ample space for your cat, while the front entry hooded design ensures privacy and minimizes mess. Made of durable plastic with a sleek grey finish, it blends seamlessly into any home decor. The self-cleaning mechanism is a major convenience. The automatic rake sifts waste into a disposable tray after each use, meaning you won't have to scoop for weeks. Setting it up is a breeze, and the disposable trays make waste disposal straightforward. Plus, the health counter tracks your cat's usage, potentially alerting you to any health issues early on. When it comes to odor control, the crystal litter is unbeatable. It absorbs urine and dehydrates solid waste, significantly reducing unpleasant smells. While crystal litter is a bit pricier than traditional clumping litter, its superior performance justifies the cost. This litter box is designed to work best with PetSafe Scoopfree Premium Crystal Litter, ensuring optimal results. Although it requires electricity to operate, the noise level is generally low, with most users finding the scooping cycle quiet. Safety sensors prevent the mechanism from activating when your cat is inside, offering peace of mind. While there are mixed reviews on build quality, many users find it durable and reliable. Overall, its unparalleled convenience makes it a worthwhile investment for busy cat owners. Number 4 is the Niasa M1 open-top self-cleaning cat litter box. With its open-top design, your cat will have easy access, and you can effortlessly monitor their habits. The spacious 17-inch opening ensures comfort for even larger cats, while the appendant cat litter mat catches any litter that might be tracked out. Its self-cleaning mechanism is a game-changer, automatically sifting waste after each use, and the pull-and-wrap waste disposal system makes changing the waste bag a quick and mess-free process. The large-capacity waste bin can hold waste for up to 2 weeks, making maintenance minimal. You can also control and monitor the litter box remotely via the smartphone app, which allows you to track litter levels and your cat's usage, adding an extra layer of convenience. Odor control is effectively managed with the enclosed waste compartment and the disposal system, ensuring your home stays fresh. Safety is paramount with infrared and weight sensors that pause the cleaning cycle when a cat is nearby. The special kitten mode ensures the device won't activate when small cats are detected, keeping all your feline friends safe. With a noise level of around 50 decibels, it operates quietly, without disturbing your household. It can easily accommodate multiple cats under 22 pounds, making it a great investment if you have more than one pet. Overall, its thoughtful design and user-friendly features make it a worthwhile addition to your home. And if you want to know the latest prices of the automatic cat litter boxes discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Whisker Litter Robot. Bundle by Whisker. This is designed to comfortably accommodate most cat breeds with its large cylindrical shape, fitting seamlessly into corners or laundry rooms. Its sleek black design is modern and stylish, making it a perfect addition to your home. One of the standout features is its automatic sifting mechanism. After your cat uses the box, a rotating globe separates waste clumps from clean litter, depositing the waste into a sealed drawer for easy disposal. You can set the cycle timer to run automatically or activate based on sensor detection, ensuring a clean litter box at all times. Plus, with the optional Whisker app, you can monitor litter levels, set schedules, and receive alerts right from your phone. The odor control is top-notch, thanks to the odor trap system and sealed waste drawer, which uses replaceable carbon filters to absorb unpleasant smells. The unit operates quietly, ensuring minimal disturbance, and is equipped with safety sensors to halt the cleaning cycle if your cat re-enters. The bundle includes a ramp for easy access, a cat mat to catch litter, and replaceable liners for mess-free disposal. Built from solid, durable plastic, the Litter Robot 4 is designed to last. It's a fantastic solution for ditching the scooping routine and maintaining a clean and odor-free environment effortlessly. Customers rave about its quality, quiet operation, and ease of use, which makes it a smart investment for cat owners. Number 2 is the Furry Tail Automatic Litter Box Pro. This is a game changer for cat owners looking for a hands-off approach to maintaining their cat's bathroom. Pre-assembled for easy setup, its spacious interior accommodates most cat sizes, including larger breeds. The automatic scooping mechanism, with a rotating grate, sifts waste into a separate bin, ensuring your cat's litter box is always clean. The app allows you to schedule cleaning cycles or activate them manually, and it uses a weight sensor to track your cat's bathroom habits, which is particularly useful if you have multiple cats. Using the Furry Tail litter box is a breeze. It comes pre-filled with a year's supply of waste bags, simplifying the process. You just need to fill the litter tray, add a waste bag, plug it in, and download the app for easy control and monitoring. The automatic waste separation significantly reduces odors compared to traditional litter boxes. This electric-powered litter box has a silent motor, so it won't disturb you or your cat. Safety features like a proximity sensor and weight sensor ensure your cat's safety by pausing or preventing the cycle if your cat is inside. The large waste bin capacity reduces the frequency of emptying, and the app helps monitor litter levels and send refill notifications. Users have praised the sturdy build quality and spacious design, which makes it suitable for most cats. Number 1 is the MeoWant self-cleaning cat litter box. With its sleek design and thoughtful features, this litter box is suitable for cats of all sizes, from small kittens to large breeds, ensuring that your furry friend can use it comfortably. The low entry point makes it accessible even for senior cats or those with mobility issues, while the spacious interior provides ample room for your cat to move around. The automatic cleaning mechanism is a game changer, activated after your cat exits the box, ensuring that waste is promptly removed and deposited into an enclosed bin. This not only eliminates the need for manual scooping, but also helps in maintaining a clean and hygienic environment for your cat. One of the standout features of this litter box is its app control, allowing you to monitor and control the cleaning process from anywhere with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. This means that even when you're not at home, you can ensure that your cat's litter box is clean and ready for use. Additionally, the litter box comes with a range of safety features, including 10 high-precision sensors and an automatic pause function to prevent any accidents or injuries to your cat. The durable build quality and customer service ensure that you can rely on this litter box for years to come. Overall, the MeoWant self-cleaning cat litter box offers unparalleled convenience and peace of mind for any cat owner. While it may come at a higher price point, the benefits it offers in terms of cleanliness, odor control, and convenience make it a worthwhile investment for any cat lover. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect automatic cat litter box much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.